Hey stranger, it's been a while since I have painted, so I am going to try and do the elusive slice and swipe. I just sold the one from video 298. That one is my favorite one, and that is now gone, so I'm going to attempt to do another one. And when I say attempt, it is because they do not always work. I find them incredibly difficult, but when they work perfect, and they are gorgeous. So let's have at it. So if you don't know what is slice and swipe, go back to video 298 and you can watch that and you'll know what the heck I'm talking about. So the colors I'm going to use are gold, Grumbacher, turquoise, and green, raw umber, and I was going to use, let's do alizarin. Alright, so those four colors, and I have playlist on how I mix them. I've gotten a lot of questions again about these bars. They are hollow and flat on the inside. Hollow and flat, which is why they don't roll. They are used for shelving, and they are in my Amazon link in my description. So, I'm going to pour my white paint on first, which is, of course, my Dutch Boy mixed with Floetrol and water. There is no silicone in these pours. And I am painting on a 10 by 10 wooden panel from Blick. And right now I'm tearing off my swipey tool. So I just got back from Chicago, and in order to stay awake during the drive, I'm trying to get this lid off. As I said, it's been a while since I painted. Everything has painted itself together. I just listen to podcasts, and oh my gosh, I am such a podcast converter now. I listen to Serial, and then I listen to S-Town, and love them both. I just got a chunk in there. And S-Town's been good because I hadn't finished it on the way home. So when I walk the dog, I've been forcing myself to walk as long as the episode so that I can finish it. And so I took her on almost an hour-long walk today, which has been a while, and she needs to lose her winter weight. So she was probably like, oh my God, what are you doing to me, Mom? So I liked those two podcasts. So if you know of any other ones that you think I would like, give me a holler on those. These are the first podcasts I've ever listened to. I've listened to parts of This American Life because David Sedaris is on it a lot, and I love David Sedaris. But apparently I didn't love him enough to know he has a new book out, which I found out when I was in Chicago in a bookstore. So I'm going to do this one on a diagonal the same way I did the 298. I'm going to torch out these bubbles though. I'm so excited. I just resined, I'm gonna pour some of this off. I just resined my triangle painting. I cannot remember what video number that was, but if in the search you put triangle, I'm sure it will show up. So I am so excited to see what that looks like. I really want to pour in more irregular shaped pieces of wood now. I've been moving away from canvases, but I still have a bunch left, so we'll be using those up. I've got two of those really thick Blick ones, and it turns out I don't really like them. I keep looking at the one I already did, and it's just so obnoxiously thick. I need to put on the wall to see what it actually looks like. Hung up. Try and be very careful. Not careful enough. Okay. So that was the Grumbacher turquoise green. The first one was raw umber. I don't know if I said those. And then I've got Grumbacher gold. And then I'm gonna top this with the alizarin. And let's see what we can do. Adding some white. got a lot more blue or turquoise than I would have liked. Oh shoot, that was much thicker than I... Alright, so it ended up a little thicker in spots. Like right here, got a little carried away. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, pretty happy with it. I like it. So I'm going to turn it so that you're seeing it the way I am seeing it. This way I can also touch up corners. So there it is. Zoom in. So you're still able to get cells even without silicone. So I thank you for watching, and as always, I will catch you next time. Bye.